Hey campground owners, if you're not making $8,000 per site, listen up. Let me tell you how other campgrounds are doing it. Pete's RV Center is the industry leader in providing rental units to campgrounds throughout the entire country. Whether you have one campsite or 100, Pete's RV Center can put together a discount program for you with rebates from the manufacturer. With rental units, you will automatically appeal to a wider range of campers. You'll generate more business through your campground with more income in your store and your game rooms. Best part is, at the end of the season, contact me and I'll help you sell off all of your rental units. This will generate more income for you, and it also ensures that you always have the newest and most popular floor plans. We've had success with campgrounds all throughout New England and throughout the entire country. Don't think you're too big or too small a campground. I can help you either way. My name is Laura Chartrand. You can contact me anytime via phone or email. I'm available to help you through it. Thanks for thinking Pete's RV TV today. I hope to hear from you soon.